go to my panel of Gaurav Bhatia, Amit Satam, Ishkaran Bhandari, Pratibha Prahlad, Neelam Katara, Raj Kamal, Rizwan Merchant, Shilpi Jain and Ketan Vaidya. I'd like to talk first to Nitesh Rane. Nitesh, everyone across India is talking about your, the revelations that you made in that interview. What happened on 8th? What is your information? What happened on 8th?
See, Arnab, I have clear information that there was a party that was held in Juhu on the 8th of June. And obviously, Disha was called there by these certain people, powerful people who were there partying. And she was called there against her wish, but eventually she showed up at the party. And at the party, when she was there for a while, whatever happened, wrong happened to her at the party, she left from there. And she left from there and she called up Sushant. That is what information I have. And she called up Sushant and on the way she left to her house in Malad Malwani. Sushant, obviously, I heard that she called up Riya. And Riya called up a person who was there at the party and alerted them and told them that this is what Disha is doing while she has left your house. So you guys need to do something about this. So that is something which I have clearly heard. And after that, by the time she reached the Malad Malwani house, obviously there must be someone sent there or someone was sent there in order to shut her up. And when she reached at the house, in that house, Rohan Rai was present. Her fiancé, Rohan Rai, was present. And obviously, obviously she was pushed down or she was, died. Something happened to her and she died after that.
No, so other people already present. Other people
directly.
So you believe this was not a suicide? The Disha's was absolutely not a suicide?
Obviously, it is not a suicide. It's not a suicide. All the suicide theories of Disha Salian are wrong. I do not believe it's a suicide.
So when she
was obviously killed because she was talking too much. She was talking too much. She was calling people on her way, which obviously people on the 8th party came to know. And that is why whatever happened to her by the time she reached her flat.
So Sushant
if it was a suicide, why is everyone so scared talking about Disha Salian?
Yeah, and why has Rohan Rai disappeared?
Exactly. Why is Rohan Rai disappeared? Why is everyone at the party? Why is our building people are quiet? If it was a direct suicide, why is the Maharashtra government, why is everyone at a panic mode? Just declare it's a suicide and keep quiet. Because it's not a suicide, obviously she was killed. That is why everyone has gone into a panic mode.
Yeah,
and that is why Rohan Rai is absconding.
Yeah, the question is therefore, Nitesh, that she comes from the party. We won't go into details of what happens to her. She comes from the party, but she calls Sushant. Sushant shares the information with Riya. Riya, then you are saying shares the information.
She leaves the party.
She leaves the party, and Sushant shares the information with Riya. This is your information.
Yeah.
And Riya further informs other people.
And Riya calls up someone who was at the party, who were at the party at the 8th and alerts them that this is what is happening, so you guys need to do something about it. That is what I've heard. So obviously that reaction came and they followed her to her house and the events followed after that.
Who followed her to the house? The people who were at the party, or did they send others?
No, I think they had sent others. That is what information I have. They had sent others in order to do the needful.
To do the needful, to silence her, to warn her, or to kill her.
Obviously. Obviously.
And Rohan was there at the house. Because all this while...
Because clearly if it's not a suicide, so when those people reached her house on the 8th night, in the Malad Malwani house, Rohan Rai was present there. Because after she jumped, after she was pushed from that window, when she fell on the floor, on the ground, after 25 minutes, Rohan comes down and looks at her. So someone who is in love with, if she has suicided, obviously he would have rushed down to see if she was alive, if there are any chances to save her. That is what any natural human being would have done. But he shows up only after 20 to 25 minutes. So that is why his role is very suspicious. The next day, their certain friends and Rohan called up a few people saying that there was a funeral of Disha planned on the 9th night. And if you remember, her provisional postmortem report says that her postmortem report says that it was done on the 11th of June.
Yeah.
So what were they planning on the 9th?
The investigating
So,
officer in this case,
Rohan
I
need
just want
to
to add
tell
out viewers
us
as you're
about
listening to Nitesh Rane's stunning observation, the investigating officer in the case has been changed twice. There is an incredible amount of pressure within the Mumbai police system to crush the Disha Salian case. The doctor is under pressure himself. The postmortem happened at Bhagwati Hospital in Borivali. The doctor is under pressure. There's a complete clampdown on the system. And everybody's been told somehow close the case. I must say
But
this.
Arnab,
Yes. I have a question for you.
Arnab, it is very surprising that a person dies on the 8th and the postmortem happens on the 11th.
My question to you is,
What's the reason?
you spoke to Rohan, didn't you?
Yes, I have had a conversation with him. And he knows about it. He knows about it. That's why I said in your interview yesterday, if he's not ready to talk, if he's not ready to give out information to the CBI, I will go and give information to the CBI because the truth needs to come out. He cannot just run away. It's not so easy that he will just run away. I told him also, that I will, if don't get scared, I will give you all the protection. You do not need to worry about the Thackeray's or the Maharashtra governments. If you want to give Disha justice, I will give you protection. I will help you. I will go with you.
What
But
did he say?
obviously they scared him off so much that he's right. That he told me the scheme of events, what happened on the 8th. What Disha, obviously whatever has happened, it was told to him and obviously it was shared.
And he shared
And
this
that
with you.
is why he's disappeared, he's absconding.
No, but you told him that I will give you the
Obviously.
protection if
He
required.
knows about it.
You told him I will give you the protection if required. You can go and talk about it. He knows the whole thing, doesn't he? He knows the whole thing.
He knows it. That is why he's absconding, and maybe the people who have ensured he disappears knows that he has spoken to Nitesh Rane.
Did they put pressure? Did he say I'm under pressure? Did they say someone's called him? Did he say like there's under some pressure? Did he give an indication of that?
Obviously, he was scared. Arnab,
What
you have
did
to
he say?
understand. he's
What
a
did
co-
he say?
Obviously, Arnab, you have to understand. He comes. You have to understand. He comes from a normal house. He had come here to become. He made his career into movies. He was signed by this talent management agency called Enega. Okay, Enega had signed him as a talent. They were apparently trying to give him movies or something. So obviously he was a budding actor. He wanted to make a career out of movies. He wanted to stay in Mumbai. And if he was in Mumbai, and why suddenly he chooses to go to Mangalore and stay in his native place and disappeared and
When you spoke to him, when you spoke to him, can you describe
Because
what did he
obviously
say
he
to
knows so
indicate
much.
that he was under pressure, or did he say some people had called him? Did he take any names? Did he talk about people calling him?
No, obviously he told me, obviously there is a lot of pressure. See, obviously he told me because we met through a common friend, and obviously he told me that there is a lot of pressure on me because I know so much. He told me about it, and which is very obvious, and that is why suddenly he disappears, suddenly he doesn't answer my calls, and suddenly, he's nowhere in the picture.
So did Disha tell him about, Disha must have told him about what happened to her. I mean, Disha must have also told him about the
Obviously,
phone call she made to
If she can call up Sushant, she's obviously going to come home and tell her fiance, right?
Of course, that's common. I mean, that's only to be expected. Now listen to me, Nitesh.
So that is why it is at most important. That is why it's at most important the CBI finds this Rohan Rai, calls him for investigation, grills him properly because he cannot run away from the situation. And if they want, they can call me and him together. We can sit together and talk.
That means this entire matter, viewers, if you're listening to Nitesh Rane, and if you watch Nitesh's body language right now, it's pretty straightforward. Looking at the camera, he's not shying away. He's come on a live interview. He's saying, I'm willing to go before the CBI, which is corroboration of the fact that he's willing to stick his neck out. Nitesh, these same people could put pressure on you?
Oh, I don't care. I don't care, and the Thackeray's or the Shiv Sena people cannot put pressure on Nitesh Rane, they know about it. So anyone in the case who they want protection, they can anytime call us. We'll ensure the Shiv Sena people or the Thackeray's do not even come around you in like 1 meter or anything. That you don't worry about it, Arnav. I'm very much in Mumbai. I'm sitting here talking to you. I'm telling you this all information and nothing will happen. Because they know we know too much about them.
That's pretty straightforward. Nitesh, how long are you willing to wait? Because, you know, this Rohan Rai is not coming out. How long are you willing to wait?
No,
people across, you know, this interview, Nitesh, everyone watching this right now, I hope you know this. That this is becoming the #1 trend in the country right now. And people are saying they're getting goosebumps. I just got a message from someone.
See, Arnav, you have to
they're
understand.
saying listening to Nitesh, we're getting goosebumps because for the first time, we are understanding what this is all about. You understand, Nitesh? People are understanding what this is all about. So,
See,
how long are you willing to wait?
I have no issue. I respect their feelings, but you have to also understand there is an ongoing CBI investigation. It is the top investigating agency of our country. I have come on your channel. I'm saying I know. I'm giving them a lead about Rohan Rai. They should call him. They should speak to him because he knows everything. So only and after he knows that, only after if they call him, if they don't call him, I can contact them. I can tell them.
Okay.
If you are not going to call him up, I will come and share information.
Will you just
so I'm
wait?
sure they are watching this interview.